Hubei Jinlong, dedicated to perfecting every piece of fabric. As a technological leader in the field of tarpaulin manufacturing, quality refined by military-grade standards, full-layer coating composite process, high tear resistance, remains sturdy as new even after 2 years of use. Please identify the genuine GLM logo. Imitators cut corners. Cracking occurs after using waste materials for several months. We insist on using legitimate raw materials from large factories.
After 27 processes, the tarpaulin is endowed with true protective function.
Ensure safe transportation without any hidden dangers.